So in this quick tutorial, we're going to discuss how you can add the flicker effect to the videos in DaVinci Resolve software. So first let me open the software, and you need to import the media files to the timeline of which you want to apply this effect. For example, I have this clip and I want to apply the effect on this clip. Now all you need to do is just simply on this effects panel, search for solid color. You can see if I search for solid, I got this option of in the video effect solid color. Just simply drag and drop this color to your timeline. Now select the color as black or white as per your need, and just simply crop this video, split it into very small piece so that you can easily it could be of easily of a single frame, so that it would provide some flicker effects to you. You can see now if I just made this color as a one frame and I delete them all clips. Now if I hold alt and drag it, so you can see that there is some other, so you can see there is the split effects, and I have to add it multiple times on the timeline. Once I'm done with this, I need to do it multiple times. Now as you see, I've added this solid color strip multiple times on the timeline. Now if I play the video, you can see the effect has been visible to you, the flicker effect. You can easily extend it just by holding alt and increasing this effect. So you can see the flicker has been added to the video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.